23, we've concluded that love shouldn't be referring to feelings, because if it was referring to feelings, it wouldn't make any sense. And, this is, to my mind anyway, a very compelling argument, right? Something doesn't make any sense, we shouldn't believe it. But notice that the fact that it is compelling or convincing or persuasive don't mean shit when it comes to whether or not it has proved its case. We're saying that you shouldn't take love as a feeling, because to take it as a feeling would not make sense. What does that tell us? What does the fact that it doesn't make sense tell us? Nothing. And really, we kind of could have had a heads up about this, because we're talking about love and feelings, and our own lived experience of those things here on God's green earth is that they don't make sense, right? So why does that enter into it at all? I don't know. We want to make this argument work. The simplest way would be an answer choice D. Don't interpret anything in a way that doesn't make sense. Oh, well, it wouldn't make sense to interpret love as being a feeling, so we shouldn't interpret love as a feeling. D, if true, proves the claim by filling in that thing that you and I had already assumed. We shouldn't believe things that don't make sense. D says it explicitly, providing the proof that we needed. So here's the deal with these free videos. They're intended to serve a very narrow purpose. For those times when you're wondering, why is that the right answer? You can just come here for a complete library and find out why it was the right answer. And I hope that you'll find that it was very instructive. Of course, the other part of the deal is that since LSAC publishes all of their tests along with test keys, that means that there's no barrier to entry for test prep. And you can hear the air quotes, I hope. Anybody can, and lots of people have, set up shop and call themselves test prep companies, and they've got the questions, they've got the answer keys, and they just try to explain to you why the right answer is right. And then they charge you money for it? That is wrong. I want to put a stop to it. I want to sweep the legs right out from under them. It is bad for you. It's bad for me too. So if you want to know what the right answer is and why the right answer is right, I want you to be able to come here and find it out for free without paying anybody for it. That's very different from what I do in the paid course. What I think has value about what I do is that I can tell you ahead of time what every question wants from you, what to expect from the right answer, how to formulate a right answer, and then how you can expect wrong answers to sound, so that you know before you ever open up a test book exactly what to expect. And all the practice videos that are part of the paid course are just me putting that theory into practice. It's just the rubber meeting the road. In other words, I'm going to show you, based on what we've done before, how we're going to react when it comes up next time. And that bit, knowing what to do the next time you see something, that I think is worth paying for. And if you agree, I'd love to have you in the course. And if not, that's fine too. Don't pay anybody to explain why right answers are right. Just watch these for free. Enjoy.